So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I have a big bowl here, and I have here some peroxide, and I went ahead and I put a little spray thing on it, and I put some gloves on because sometimes it can turn your hands white, the peroxide, and it can kind of sting, kind of burn. So anyway, I'm just going around it, and I'm putting some peroxide on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit on it for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and cut it up. Now, I definitely would have loved to have gotten organic, but sometimes it's just expensive. And this was such a great deal. So now that this is all sprayed and ready, I'm going to let this sit for around 10 minutes. And then after that, then we're going to go ahead and start rinsing it off.